Hello guys, I'm going to show the 5 ways to free up your phone. It's a very simple technique you can learn quick. First, go to settings and here storage. You can see the storage. Click on it and here this cards data. You have to clear it, this cards data. This has a bunch of unwanted data that loads and hang your mobile. It's loading. Yeah, I have 13 only. Clear it. This is the first thing you will get. This is the first step. And the second step is uninstall the unwanted apps or unused apps that you don't use often. Uninstall it. So you will get more space of that. Uninstall the unwanted app. This is the second. And the third one is the third one is go to the settings and you will find the apps. And apps, they have a unwanted jerk and chords like that. You can clear it also, like this one. It will be here. You have to click this. It's this. Yeah, I cleared everything. So it's yeah. You, you will you click this. You will get some thing. I have cleared it already, so it's not showing. So this is that is the third step, and the fourth step is you have an unwanted files. You have to delete that files. Delete that files. When you install and uninstall it, the files will be there in your internal. You have to delete that unwanted files, like this one, this all the unwanted files you can find. And in share it, if you using share it, you will find it. You go to share it, this will be the waste. You have to clear it. It will get free up some space in your internet. And next one is move some apps to the internal to the external memory, so you will get some space and speed. You can move it. You can it's just you can move. This is all the allowed apps that you can move to the internal. You can click and manage it, something like that. These are the 5 steps that very easy to make free up phones and speed it. You can do it in all the Android phones. So okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.